Hey everyone! Ready for a delicious, customizable meal that's way easier than it looks? Today, we're making stromboli, a savory, rolled-up pizza that's perfect for dinner, parties, or even lunch boxes. Get ready to impress with minimal effort. First, the dough. You can absolutely use store-bought pizza dough to save time. Just let it come to room temperature. If you're feeling ambitious, a simple homemade dough works wonders too. Roll it out into a large rectangle, about 1/4 inch thick. Now for the fun part, the filling. Think beyond pepperoni. Spread a thin layer of marinara sauce, leaving a border. Then pile on your favorite cheeses. Mozzarella, provolone, or a blend are great. Add cooked meats like beef, salami, or chicken, and veggies like bell peppers, onions, or spinach. Carefully roll the dough from one long side, creating a tight log. Pinch the seams closed to seal in all that goodness. Transfer it to a baking sheet, seam side down. Brush with an egg wash for a golden crust, and sprinkle with Italian seasoning or garlic powder. Bake at 400 degrees, 200 degrees for 20-25 minutes or until golden brown and bubbly. Let your stromboli cool for a few minutes before slicing. This helps the cheese set. Serve with extra marinara for dipping. It's a fantastic way to use up leftovers and a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Enjoy your homemade stromboli masterpiece.